Hi friends, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to be reorganizing and cleaning out and decluttering my pantry. So I did just recently upload the video of me putting the pantry together because you guys were curious about that. But yeah, this is so full. I definitely need to get a handle of this. So to the right, you're going to see a bunch of stuff already on my dining table. That's because yesterday I did my Costco haul. So you guys might have seen my Costco haul video just recently, and there's some aftermath of that over there. And also my new printer is still in the box on there as well. But yeah, so no excuses though. I have a mess to clean up. But right now I am going to be taking care of the top shelf, and that's basically like my baking needs, which is like my flour, my sugar, the powdered sugar, brown sugar, and like baking soda and whatnot. So I'm going to be reorganizing that, and then the next shelf is the snack shelf for the kids, and then the shelf below that is larger extra things and the very bottom one is just I guess really non-food items, but just larger items that can fit in there. So hopefully you guys get some motivation from this video. I hope you do enjoy.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go. You do that something to
At this point, overwhelm has definitely kicked in, but I have to get through it because it's just gonna be a big old mess if I don't. So here I go, getting through it.
I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. Giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up, giving it up. Oh, I'm like a spinning top.
if you guys are curious where I got the marble looking foldable totes or boxes, I got those from the Dollar Tree. So I was pretty happy when I saw them there. I grabbed 4 of them. Alright, so the top left box is for the chips, so I can easily get his lunches together. And then over here we got the pretzels and my toasted Cheez-Its in there and some Juanita's tortilla chips. Up here we have the top shelf is all of our baking goods, including my peanut butter pretzels. That's really the only spot I could put them, so it's okay. I go to them frequently, so it's where I can easily get to them. So down here, I have this right here. I got this from Ross like last year, but they sell them there all the time. It's like $3.99 for this larger one. And I just keep my cling wrap and my Reynolds wrap in there, and it's a perfect spot for it. So here I have all of the snacks organized. The one in the front is the one that I want to get through faster just because they're in their own little bags and stuff. So, and I don't want it to expire before they can get to it. And then on the next shelf, I have the larger snacks, just because that's really the only spot I could put them, and they fit perfectly, so I'm so stoked about that. And then the bottom shelf is non-food items, so I have my KitchenAid mixer stuff in the clear box to the left. I have the extra forks, plastic forks, and I got my Snapware and my extra foil pan, I guess foil casserole dish right there, so it's where I can get to it when I need to. I think this looks fantastic, you guys. I am so excited, and I will not disappoint you guys. I will also show you guys where I put everything else, and anything that I don't show you is because I threw it away. So I am excited to show you guys where I put everything else, so you guys know that I actually did something with it instead of just telling you I did. I'm gonna have to show it to you. All right, so this stuff right here, those I'm going to put in a box to put in the garage for if we have family over and they want to take some leftovers with them. I'm just going to give those to them. These drinks will actually fit in the white fridge because there's plenty of room for it now. So I'm just going to put them in the fridge, our second fridge, so that way we can easily get to it and it'll be cold and ready for us. And this mess, holy cow. So I'm going to put the rest of these chips somewhere else, and I will show you guys. All of this stuff here that I'm going to show you is going to be going somewhere else, whether it is in a designated spot or the garbage, but I'm going to show you everything. I'm not going to show you the garbage though, because that's just gross. But here is all of this stuff right here. So the white fridge is basically for liquids. So our drinks, our milk, extra condiments, it all fits in here. So that's why it's in there. It fits just fine. This is a snack cabinet we have that is just for the kids to be able to help themselves to, and also to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches easier. I got my drink mixes in there too. I put all of the extra crackers in those bags so the kids can easily grab that for a snack. And it also takes away from a box in a cabinet. So I just like condensing things just to make more space and it look less messy. I put all of the saltine crackers in here because why have the box in there when I can just have it right there? And all the extra chips are in that basket. I have all of my like baking stuff, like cookie making stuff up to top right, and then my cookies on the top left because I don't want my kids to be able to just grab them whenever they want. And then over here I put all of the cereal. I'm going to show you really quick. I organized my dad's cereal and hot cereal there. I got my kids cereal over here. I put them in these in these big bags because they were originally single serve cereals, so I wanted to make more room. And then I put these single serving ones right here, so when I have my nieces and nephews over and they want to eat a thing of cereal, they can definitely do that. I also repurposed an older peanut butter pretzel container to put more cereal in that too, just to keep it fresh. And yeah, so this is what this is looking like. And over here I put like my laundry stuff because this is my laundry room. And then so my laundry stuff is on the left side, and in the middle cabinet is like my larger food items for storage, and then Sean's stuff for lunch or for school lunches whenever school starts again. But we have like the larger snacks and larger food items in here just because it's a larger cabinet. There's more space and we can access that when we need to. So I think that looks so good too. Now moving on to the white fridge, I just put these mashed potatoes and instant rice up here. I'm going to put tape over this right here because I don't want any pantry moths to get in it and put larvae. That's just so gross. So I'm going to put tape over that and just reopen it every time I need to. But yeah, I definitely don't want anything nasty in that. And then this is what the pantry is looking like. Another glimpse of it really quick. I hope you guys got a lot of motivation from this. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.